Hi, today I'm going to talk about what does primary, secondary, and tertiary water treatment achieve, and how does each water treatment step achieve its goal. The first primary wastewater treatment involves sedimentation of solid waste within the water. This is done after filtering out larger contaminants within the water. The wastewater is passed through several tanks and filters then separate water from contaminants. The resulting sludge is then fed into a digester, in which further process takes place. This primary batch of sludge contains nearly 50% of suspended solids within wastewater. Calcium hydroxide and aluminum sulfate are often added to speed up the sedimentation process. The equations are shown below. Move on to the secondary wastewater treatment. The secondary wastewater treatment makes use of oxidation to further purify the wastewater. It is also called as a biological treatment, which can use the bacteria to break down organic compounds to the carbon dioxide. During the process takes place, the activated sludge is added into the sewage effluent. Then, the air or oxygen is vigorously bubbled through pipes into the effluent. This will cause the aerobic bacteria to digest the organic material and break it down into carbon dioxide and water. The bacteria and any remaining undecomposed material are returned to the aeration tank and reused again. Most of the municipal plants will chlorinate the water after the secondary treatment and then release it into waterways. The discharged water at this stage has 90% of the original organic matter removed, but over 50% of nitrate and phosphate remains. The metal ions and many synthetic organic compounds are incompletely removed. There are three other ways of the secondary wastewater treatment, which are biofiltration, aeration, and also oxidation ponds. The first one, biofiltration. This method is the secondary wastewater treatment will employ sand filters, contact filters, or trickling filters to ensure that additional sediment is removed from the wastewater. Of the three filters, trickling filters are typically the most effective for small batch wastewater treatment. For the aeration is a long but effective process that entails mixing wastewater with a solution of microorganisms. The resulting mixture is then aerated for up to 30 hours at a time to ensure the results. The last one is the oxidation ponds. The oxidation ponds are typically used in warmer places. In addition, this method utilizes natural bodies of water like lagoons. Wastewater is allowed to pass through this body for a period of time and is then retained for 2 and 3 weeks. Finally, the tertiary wastewater treatment is the last step in the basic wastewater management system. This process is mostly comprises of removing phosphates and nitrates from the water supply. Substances like activated carbon and sand are among the most commonly used materials that assist in this process. Method of precipitation of lime is used to remove the nitrate and the phosphate ion. Besides, the phosphate can be also removed by the microorganism that absorb the phosphate. Then, the ammonium ion can be removed by ammonium striping and also nitrifying the bacteria that convert ammonium ion into nitrate, followed by denitrifying the bacteria to convert nitrate to nitrogen. This process will remove the organics through filtration by activated carbon. That's all from me. Thank you.